Hey guys, you are watching on Mari's Magical Channel. Welcome. Okay guys, what we're doing today is a physics science experiment. This is called water balloon toss. And here's a description. A fun game to play that people of all ages enjoy is a water balloon toss. From mom and dad's company picnic to the annual 4th of July barbecue to kids' birthday parties. People love to see how far they can toss water balloons without breaking them. Of course, if they do break, you get wet and it can be as fun as winning. Question: how do you keep the balloon from breaking? The materials you need is a water balloon and a friend who doesn't mind getting wet. Hey guys, we are back in the bathroom. Clea, he told me how to do the balloon. So first thing you want to do is not put the water on. You want to stretch it out and put the balloon in there. Boom. Balloon's in there, and then you want to turn it up slowly. Like that, right? Gonna wait till it gets really big. 3, 2, 1, and then boom. And then you want to take this off, wrap it around this, like this, and then you want to put it through there, through the, alright, I messed up. Let me try this again. And then this is the hard part. See, like, put it through here. Right. Like that. And then you pull. Full successful water balloon.
One down. One down.
Okay guys, now we're gonna do the procedure, which as we saw before, we have to pick up water balloon and the friend who doesn't might get away, and we toss it to each other, and then when we catch it, we both take a step back and we keep going until it bursts. And now we have the biggest boy in the pack, so let's hope we have some messy action. Okay. Now you're gonna toss it to me.
Okay.
And let's see if it doesn't break.
Here.
Okay, we'll take a step back.
Ooh, 38, you broke it. Ooh, so very light with this. We gotta take a step back.
Hold on.
Yeah, I took a step back.
Alright.
Over the camera. Oh no!
Oh.
The first time it was a fail, you probably didn't see it, but this time we're gonna show you. So let's do what we did here.
Don't take too big of a step back. Take a little bit. The camera got to see.
Still hasn't popped yet, guys. Oh!
Ooh.
Step back.
Oh, my bad.
Okay. Oh boy.
Ooh,
no.
But nice catch.
Gotta be low. Gotta get low to the floor.
You didn't take a step. You didn't take a step back. All right. So take a step back.
Nice low, Cartier.
Here.
Hold on. Let Mari go. There you go. Hold on, wait. You gonna throw it? Throw it. Ooh, good throw. Your turn, catch. Ooh,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh boy.
Keep trying to make it.
Oh.
How did
Step
you
back.
catch that?
Because I got gentle hands.
I got gentler hands. Oh. All right.
buck,
take a
y'all.
step back.
Pretty far.
Yes.
The challenge.
Hold on.
It looks like Mari gonna bust it before it even gets.
No, that's not true. It's
Oh.
Yeah.
What's going down?
Okay, this just ended. We are gonna do the opposite of what the procedure says. You know, for more some fun stuff. We're gonna start far away as we can, and then I already have one.
Bigger.
And then when we catch it, we come closer.
All right,
So
sounds good.
this one's probably gonna be good luck. I'm gonna start with it, cause you know. Let's continue. So, as I said, we're gonna start from way back here. Get him, Mom?
Hold on, I gotta get it.
Can I like throw it like that?
Okay, I'm ready.
Don't bust it like that, bro.
That's what he wanna do.
No, I don't.
Don't hit yay.
Throw it
Cartier.
all the way to me. How about you focus on throwing it all the way to me? Last time you didn't make it.
Alright, Cartier. Okay. I'm gonna do it in 3, 2, 1.
Oh! You put them long nails in there.
Maybe you should do it this time. Maybe you should start.
How many more we got?
The camera rolling?
It's rolling.
We still.
That still ain't break. Oh.
I got you.
Uh-oh, yeah, got the last one.
You got him. You gonna get him? You gonna get him? Oh, you gonna throw that down?
Get him. Get Dad.
You got him wet. All right, where's the other balloon so we can make some more?
Alright, cut. Alright, guys. We are back, and today, we are using the girly pack, because that's the other pack we got. We were using the boy pack first. Now we're using the girl pack. Yeah, girl. Okay, so we're done with the experiment. Now we're just going to have some plain fun. Well, not play, but fun. Ah! Well, not play, but fun. What happened?
Uh-oh, yeah, you got a big boy on deck. What you gonna do with that, yay?
Oh, you got that. You got that.
These balloons don't pop or nothing. Hey, I got the camera. You can't get the cameraman.
Oh, you gonna give me 38? Oh, man.
No.
Oh. Oh, Cartier's coming. Oh, he got that. I'm gonna get Cartier. I'm gonna get Cartier.
Make sure it pops.
Oh. What?
What, you don't want to get wet?
It's get the whole spot wet.
Get wet. Get you wet with the balloon. Oh, I got you. Ah.
Cartier, go get wet. Go get wet over there.
What?
Did you turn it down?
Yeah.
Turn it down a little more.
Go get wet, yay. Look. There. That's better. Put it over it.
No, I got the,
Have that power, yeah.
just got to have something that it can't have no water come out of.
You gonna get me, I'll get you. You know I'll get you. I ain't not scared to put water on you.
You filling it up? Cartier, you filling the water balloon up? He trying.
You didn't think I'd get you, huh?
Wait. Nah.
It's about to be muddy.
Where's Sweetie? there. Ah!
Don't wet me. I'm the cameraman.
I also have a punching bag. I like to train when I'm wet.
Say stop, Mari.
I'm sorry. I feel you. You dropped it once and then it broke. It's right here.
It's okay. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
I'm a noogie this balloon.
Noogie. Here, you hold this. Hold this.
No!
Hold this. Hold it, okay?
Don't drop it.
No, don't do this
Oh, babe, you're supposed to make sure it pops.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Like a bazillion just. I'ma throw it. Stand back. Oh no!
He ain't trying to get you.
Wait, my thing's twisted. Don't mess it up. I guess please doesn't know what mercy is.
What's up with your sandal?
Oh, you got me.
What happened to your sandal?
Damn, African. You got me? Oh, you got
Babe,
me.
Please leave me alone. I won't.
What's up? And you can't get your foot out of there.
Bless the kids and the children.
Oh, nice.
You bless the children. You bless the kids. Bless the Lord. Bless the.
Oh, that was a good one. He's so. Get him, yay. Get Dad. Get him. Oh, good job.
What? Oh.
Be careful.
I want my revenge.
You still didn't get me.
Woo! Yeah.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, so cute.
Hey, watch. That's all the balloons?
Yup.
Uh-oh.
I'll show you.
Let me get a gun. Let me get my gun back. You get your little,
No.
little gun.
Fix yays.
Wait.
Fix your brothers. You get your little gun. And I get my gun back.
What? No. That's not cool. Where's the little gun?
You better hurry up.
You got two guns.
Luckily, there's another one.
Right here.
Get daddy. Get daddy.
Oh, it's coming.
You didn't
Oh,
do
you
it.
got me. I got him back. I got him back. Coming for his brother.
Oh,
Got him.
you're so. You got it in your ear?
Yes.
He's so.
What?
I'm on a hunt to find Mr. Clee. Go ahead. My God, it's a dog.
He's coming.
You
He's
want to
coming.
turn the camera
I done broke out of my sandals now.
You didn't show it in my You didn't
I done broke out the valleys. I done bust out the valleys like Zion now.
His foot comes out of his shoe. That's unbelievable.
You can't get it out?
Hell no. How much strength in that 200? In that 200.
Sandals busted.
Yes, good.
Somebody behind the cameraman. Show yourself. Whoa! And that's how-
Uh-oh, wait. Your phone?
Probably won't work. Hey!
You can get our changes. Close this. Action.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna. This was the end of our experiment. I have a few notices about what happened with the water balloons. So, the bigger they are and the heavier they are, the more they're likely to bust faster. Even if it's on grass. Like, grass provides a soft cushion so that the water balloons could land on. But if it's big and heavy, it'll most likely crush the cushion and burst. And with water balloons, they're really like lightweight. So if you were to throw them onto the grass, it will not entirely crush the cushion. So it would either explode, it would either burst slower or won't burst at all. And there's a very noticeable change with concrete, like we are standing on now. With concrete, it's hard and does not provide any safety for the balloons, so they will burst immediately. Heavier ones will most likely burst faster than smaller ones because it's more heavy and it will fall faster, and when it falls faster and it hits the cement, it will crush and then water just goes on other water and bursts. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up right here, right now. Please like, subscribe, and comment to Mari's Magical Channel. And see you in the next video.
Good job.